Mole poblano. Mexican hot sauce served with meat. A main dish from Mexico. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Divide chilies and remove seeds. Peel onion and cut into quarters. Peel, then cut plantain in 1/4 inch pieces and set aside with chilies, etc. Step 2. Heat 1/4 inch oil in a wide pan, such as a wok, and fry all ingredients, in batches, starting with the chilies and ending with the nuts, tomatoes and chocolate. As you fry all the ingredients, set them aside in a large bowl. Once all ingredients have been together as you go, puree them in a blender, thinning them with chicken or turkey broth or consommé cubes or powder dissolved in hot water. Consistency should be fairly thick, but just thin enough to blend to a smooth sauce. Cook over low flame or in crock pot for approximately 2 hours, or until mole turns a dark reddish-brown color. The perfect test for mole is when you stir it, you will see the bottom of the pot. Step 5. Serve over chicken, turkey, pork or sirloin tips, always accompanied by Mexican rice and corn tortillas or Mexican rolls. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.